Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing well. I just wanted to discuss some announcements and overviews for this coming weekend and things that we have due. As you can see, we have the updated partner groups for the oral dialogues. Those can be found here. There were some changes based on changes in the class list. Okay, so make sure that you are getting in touch with your partner. If you have any issues getting in touch with them, please let me know. Okay, we're going to see what is going to be due this week. So it looks like we're going to be completing the rest of our VHL activities. And also don't forget that we have to do the oral presentation. And included in your activities for this Sunday are the partner dialogues. So that's what we have to get done. If you go to our course homepage, you guys will see that I have already uploaded a video that shows you how to do the oral presentations. And you just go back through to module 2. You can click here, Presentaciones Orales, and here it will take you to VoiceThread, gives you as well the instructions, and then you can upload the information here. This is where you'll be putting in your oral presentation. Okay, as far as VHL, we'll take a look at those activities. So remember, you only have to do the assignments the activities that are assigned to you. Okay, and those can be found here. So this was what was due on Wednesday. These different assignments, some of them are activities and some of them are tutorials. And this is what's going to be due for this coming Sunday. And it'll tell you, on the activity page, the date that it's due. So this is all the things that you guys have to do for Sunday. And usually it'll tell you, since it's 1.4 or 2.4, the different lesson that it's in. So that's how we know we're still in lesson 1. So we'll go to content activities. And this will take us here to lesson 1. So here we see the 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and it tells you here when it's going to be due. Okay, so here 1.3, we have some activities that are going to be due on Sunday. Okay, and I also have on our main page another video that explains the partner dialogues and how you guys record those in VHL. Okay, and just to kind of give you guys a little bit more overview about VHL, here you have some vocab tools that are going to help you with each lesson. So you can go through and look at the vocabulary and say, oh, okay, this is what this is, or this is what that is. And it kind of helps you in that way, as well as the e-companion to the activities. Okay, so this is the ebook that you also get with it. These are, the beginning pages where it goes through the glossary, and then you can get to chapter 1. Okay, so this is here available for you guys. If you have any questions, anything that you want to discuss, let me know. It is typically easier to complete the activities that are tutorials first. Okay, and that way you guys will know what to expect in the activities that you're supposed to complete. If you guys do have questions, please reach out to me and I can help you with those. I can meet you through Zoom. I'll be going through some of those with you as well. Okay, so use the resources that you have here under content to be able to help you complete the activities as well. Okay, if you guys need anything else from me, if you have any questions, there's typically also, let's see, an activity. Here, diferente. There's usually an ability to ask the instructor. I don't know if it'll show up on here because this is the instructor version, but there should be some sort of thing that you can click or button or something in this area where it says like ask the instructor or request instructor to grade it, something like that. So there should be something in there for you guys. It doesn't show me the student view, so I don't know if this is what it looks like when you guys are completing it. But there should be something here kind of like this. So it says add instructor note. For you, it might say like ask instructor a question or request instructor to review. And that way I can go in and manually look at what you chose, especially for the times that you write things in, okay? All right, now if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And remember, all this is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Arizona time. Remember, we go by official U of A time, so it is Mountain Standard Time. Currently 8:57 a.m. in Tucson. Okay, so I hope that everyone has a great weekend. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with.